In this lecture, I want to talk about self-publishing your book exclusively on Amazon. Now, we are going to look exclusively at Amazon when it comes to self-publishing, and I want to explain why. I'm going to explain how exclusivity actually will make you more money, and then I'm going to explain your option. I may even support your option with a specific course if I have time. But anyway, let's jump into this topic and talk about a program called KDP Select. You enroll a Kindle ebook into the KDP Select program for 90 days at a time. Great. So what do you get when you enroll an ebook into the KDP Select program? You get this. First, you receive a 70% royalty on books sold in Japan, India, Brazil, and Mexico instead of the standard 35%. Now, this isn't a big wow. This is only significant if you're targeting these countries for publication. Then it could be a big wow. You're going to double your revenue. But a big wow, and part of our promotional strategy, is that you get 5 days of free deal promotions or 7 days of countdown deal promotions. Now let me explain how these work. The 5 days you can split up of free deals and your book is free. Now the neat part is that your book shows up on Amazon with the price crossed out nice and red and it says free. So it helps to promote your book by making the free splash and making it flashy. A countdown deal, which you can alternately get 7 days of, allows you to set your price cheaper. So let's say you have a $2.99 book. You can set it to be 99 cents for 2 days, and then $1.99 for 2 days, and then come back to the full price. Stuff like that. Now, when I run countdown deals, I do have my books at $2.99. I set my price at 99 cents, and I keep it there. So I don't actually take advantage of the countdown feature. I just stick it at 99 cents for 7 days. But these are big marketing opportunities. My wife and I earn the majority of our Amazon book revenue from books sold through the Amazon promotional deals, right? We're typically selling books at 99 cents. And by the way, during a promotional deal, usually if you set your book price to 99 cents, you make 35% royalty. If you do it via a promotional deal, you make a 70% royalty. So you double your royalty. So you can sell 99-cent books and actually make, you only make 70 cents, 69 cents actually, but that's better than 35 cents. So we earn a lot of money selling 99-cent books via 7-day countdown promotions. Now, the third option, which is really cool, is that you can earn revenue from a global fund based on the number of pages that members of the Kindle Unlimited book lending program read. So as they read pages of your books, you get a percentage of this global fund that gets set aside for everybody for loaning books. This, we make 30% of our revenue from loaning books on Amazon. Combine those two together, you're talking about the majority of our sales come through KDP Select promotions, and 30% of our other revenue, you're talking about probably 60% to 70% of our revenue comes from KDP Select related promotions or loans. That's a lot of money. Now, why wouldn't everybody enroll their book in the KDP Select program? It comes with one very expensive cost, and that is that you must publish your ebook exclusively on Amazon. So that's what the exclusivity and the focus on Amazon is all about. I want you to enter the KDP Select program for at least 90 days. Now, notice this. It is a 90-day program, so it reinstates itself every 90 days. You get 5 free or 7 countdown deals every 90 days, so it resets. But the other thing that resetting allows you to do is to opt out of the program. So I recommend you get into the KDP Select program for 90 days. See if you like it. See if you really are generating a lot of your revenue from loans and promotional deals. If not, then there's another option. Now, my wife and I earn more from the KDP Select program than we did publishing on Smashwords, and Smashwords is the other option. What you can do is you can publish on the Apple Bookstore, on Barnes & Noble, on Kobo, and all these things directly. Or what I recommend alternately is that you publish via Smashwords, which is a one-point publishing option, and they distribute the book to everybody that isn't Amazon. So Smashwords is the alternative to Amazon. This is what I recommend. This course assumes that you're going to enroll your book in the KDP Select program to maximize revenue. Alternately, self-publish your book on Amazon and everywhere else through Smashwords to maximize distribution. So think about it. If you're publishing a technical guide, you probably want to maximize revenue on that. So check it into the KDP Select program. If you're publishing someone's memoir, you probably want this to be available on as many devices and as many stores as possible. So you're more interested in distribution than making money off the memoir. So publish it via Smashwords and Amazon so that you get it everywhere. You won't make as much money, but you'll have wider distribution and your readers will be able to access your book on more devices. So those are your two options. This course series, once again, assumes that you're going to enroll your book in KDP Select. Now, there's actually only one course that depends on this. This is the one on how to use the free and countdown deals to promote your books. So if you don't enroll in KDP Select, there's just one course that isn't going to apply to you, but I really recommend you do to maximize your revenue. So with that said, up next is the lecture in which I beg you to please leave a review. This course is going to survive or die on reviews. If you don't take the few seconds to leave a review, then this course will wither on the vine and die, and I'll probably stop producing courses. It is that important. I'll see you in that lecture.